Hi everyone, what is up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. As you guys have seen in the title, I'd like to talk about my new styling iron from Duvolle. And then after that, I will give you guys an update about cosmetology school. Spoiler alert, I am already a junior and I would like to tell you guys more about it. So let's go ahead and start talking about my styling iron. This is from the brand Duvolle. And if you do not know what Duvolle is, you're probably living under a rock. Now, I said that because a lot of people have been using Duvolle for many years now and they are known for durability. Now, the one that I have here is called Rendezvous. I really like the box packaging of this one because it is very well made. It has a magnetic closure. Now, when you take a look at the back, it will give you a lot of information. It shows you the parts of the iron, and it also shows you and it also shows you different types of styles that you can create with this styling iron. So there are a lot of tutorials online. I will be doing a demo later on. So when you open it up, you can see that the flat iron or styling iron is laying into this very nice velvety tray. It is very aesthetically pleasing if you ask me. It's just so beautiful. And then under this tray, you can get your leaflet of instructions. Let me just read like a sample for you, okay? So there are temperature settings on this one, and it's nice that they have included this because, for example, your hair type is fragile, fine, or chemically processed. It gives you a suggested temperature setting. For normal, easy to straighten hair, it also gives you like a suggested temperature setting, which is 320 to 360. You can, before you use a styling iron or anything like that, you can always test it into a tissue, see if it's like super duper hot. But this type of iron, it heats up so fast, so please be very, very careful. Now, speaking of that, let me just go ahead and put the leaflet on the side. This is something that you would want to keep, okay? Just in case you have like questions for yourself, that everything is being answered by this little leaflet right here. So don't underestimate it. Though sometimes I tend to be like that person. I was like, shoo, because everything you can read online. So it also comes along with this handy dandy glove, so you can use it on this hand. So when you are curling or whatever you want to do with your hair, you won't burn yourself. Okay, now let's set this aside. And this is actually very well made as well. It really has good quality. So I just wanted to give you guys a little more up close look with this beautiful styling iron. This has a rounded plate edges for more styling options. It also has a ceramic plate infused with nano silver and tourmaline. It has a power ready light. It has power on and off and temperature switch. And it has a pre-programmed heat settings for fragile, normal, and resistant hair. And it also has this 360-degree tangle-free 2.65 amp swivel cord. Guys, by the way, this iron shuts off automatically after 50 minutes. Isn't that amazing? Like, come to think of it, like, what if you're already in LA? You don't have to like slap yourself and drive back to San Diego. Another thing about this iron is that it also has these rubber safety stands. So you don't have to flick something each and after every use. You're just going to put it on top of something and it's not going to burn anything on the surface pretty much. So it's very handy, and as you guys can see, I am totally rotating the styling iron and it's super easy. I can't wait to show you guys how the styling iron works. Today, I'm going to be using it for my extensions, and the reason why is because my hair is overly processed right now. It is on a transition phase, so it's not that bad actually. I'm probably like a level 6 or 7 right now, and we are going to, because I want to be an ashy bitch, okay? This is what happens to you if you are in Cosmo school. I told myself, like, you know what, I'm just gonna do brown, and then after that I am done. I am never touching my hair. But then again, I thought, like, you know what, I want to have that type of hair that I wanted to sell. And you're probably laughing right now because I do have some harsh lines right over here. Don't laugh, okay? This is my hair at the moment. It actually lifted really nicely. We bleach washed it 2 times and then after that we foiled it. It's not finished yet, as you guys can see. There's still a lot of things going on in my head. I know I do look like a Pikachu right now. We're still gonna touch up the root. It will be a surprise. I don't want to spoil it because I did film my hair journey. But yeah, let's go ahead and proceed with the demo. By the way, guys, this is my extensions before. So I have curled it in the past. There's still probably some product on my extensions. So you will be, you know, seeing a little smoke as I do this. So what I'm doing right now is that I'm just curling the ends just like that, grabbing small sections at a time. And as you guys notice, I am turning the wand straight up and curving it a little bit towards me. And definitely the curved size of the iron helps out a lot because it just glides like butter and it doesn't tug the hair whatsoever. So this is what my extensions look like now. Now, guys, this is a personal preference, okay? I don't know how you guys style your wigs or extensions, but most of the time, this is what I like. I love to keep its original length. I really love long extensions, and I love doing that, you know, like super, not like super straight, but has a little bit of body. And I tend to curl the ends just like that. And once I am done, what I'm gonna do is that I'm just going to spray it with a hairspray. So you may notice a while ago that it is smoking a little bit, and that is only because it has a product. The last time I have used this, I used a hairspray, so that's the reason why I haven't washed this one yet. But again, this is just for demo purposes. Once I fix my entire hair, I'm going to use this curling iron again, and I'm going to show you how I style my over-processed hair, because I totally believe before I become exactly looking like Storm, my hair is like done in life. I don't even know who are the people who can get to level 14. Probably if you have hair that is like naturally light enough, I think that's achievable. But for like Asian hair, guys, my hair is very resistant. Like it's tough. It lifts. I'm actually surprised that it lifted this way, but it's really tough. But just do know that my hair color was like this once upon a time. That's the reason why it kind of looks like that. But anyway, I have blonde hair now, so I'm pretty sure that if I tone it, it's going to be as close as that. But again, I'm gonna, you know, be more lighter. So again, guys, if you are interested with the Duvolle Rendezvous styling iron, all of the information will be on my description box. Now, moving on, I am officially a junior. It all happened at October 2nd. It was fast, and that is only because I am a full-time student. So if you are in junior class, the difference from freshman is that this one has like 2 hours of theory, and then the rest is like you're accepting clientele. So if you're not accepting clientele, you're going to be doing something with your doll or doing something with like the nails. You know, you make yourself busy. It's more of like a lot of practical at this point. So I'm very happy, and my first client, she's something else, let me tell you. So what she wanted was actually super easy for me because it's just thermal straightening. Now, if you are going to get your hair done in a school, please do expect, especially if it's a haircut, that it will take some time. But me, my first client, just thermal straightening, I have no problems at all. I was like a happy child, like, you know, I think that I said like, wow, this is not making me nervous or anything like that because it's just thermal straightening. So of course, when it comes to like thermal straightening, you would want to take your time because you want the hair to look like a freaking mirror. But she sat there and it's not even like 30 minutes and she's acting like it was such an inconvenience for her to be there sitting in my chair or in my station. I'm like, I'm doing the best that I can, and I don't even know what's clockable about like straightening irons. I put, you know, like a protective cream to her hair, Kenra, all of that good stuff. But she looks so unsatisfied. And get this, anything I say to her, which is not even, you know, like in a friendly approach, like, oh, it's a nice weather out here, la 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 la, you know, something to like, just to keep up the conversation. Girl, like anything positive I say, she would say like negative things, like, dang. So I just decided to like shut up because I really think that she just probably doesn't really like me. I don't know why, but anything positive that I say, she would say like something really negative about it. Like anything I say, she disagrees. So I decide, we're not even talking about, you know, politics or nothing like that. It's just like the weather, the town, nothing serious. But she just comes off to me like super negative. And she was like rushing because she said she's gonna be picking up somebody, and it's like I just let it be, because, you know, I don't want to have like a negative life. I just want like have like a positive attitude. Now these things do not affect me anymore because it happened so many times in the past to me in retail. That's why I'll probably never work in retail anymore. That's why I'm super thankful to be at school. So the next client that I have is actually a finger wave. That's the style that she wanted. So I'm not super confident about finger waving. To me, it's like difficult. I don't know why. I can do it in dolls. Sometimes I can pull it off. Sometimes it's just like, eh. But I think I can do finger waves when it comes to like thermal. But when it comes to like traditional, like actually using an all-purpose comb and just the fingers, to me, it is a little difficult. Now, this person has fine hair. I could have known better. I could have just used a thermal. But it's so hard working if you have somebody with you, because we have decided to team up with one client just so because I said that I'm not confident with it. But it turned out great. But I think she likes it because she didn't say anything harsh. And then my favorite client was actually last Saturday. So what I did to her is just a root touch-up, haircut, and then thermal blow dry. So she was super happy because she said like, oh, I'm gonna be coming back before I go to Vegas. So that really made my heart melt. So knowing that I already have a repeat customer really makes me super freaking happy. And then every time I go to school, I'm like so excited and happy. There are days that I'm like worried in life. I'm thinking like, whether am I going to excel in this or not? But I really do think that I'm on the right path. Now, why did I clap? Ew. Now, before I end this video, I want to show you guys all of the things that I got from Cosmoprof again, because Cosmoprof is my new Walmart. I got a 10% developer, and this is from the brand Joico, and you already know it's for toning my hair. And then I have some silver blue dark blonde demi-permanent liquid colors. I'm supposed to get 3, but they only have 2 left, and I will be updating everything that I use. I'll give you guys like an update on how it performed or anything like that, okay? As much as I can. And then I bought the Olaplex bonding oil. Now, I didn't know that this will look like a free taste in real life. It's super freaking... I know it's 30 ml, but like, girl, check this out. Most of the foundation is like 30 ml, but this one is like, probably because the packaging is not really that thick, but this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna put a date on it so that I could remember how long have I been using this one, because I've seen here that you only have 12 months to use this product. So rest assured, this is something that I will be using probably like every damn day, because my hair is already dead. It is heavily bleached and I don't even know where to start anymore. Told myself I'm not gonna touch my hair, but here we are. And then this is from the 99-cent store, okay? I was actually laughing and jumping with joy when I saw these. These are rat tail combs. And the reason why I'm so exaggerated when it comes to purchasing these is because I only have 2 rat tail combs in my kit, and one of them disappeared, and then my classmate thought that the single rat tail comb that I have in my, you know, my soiled container is hers. I'm like, that's mine, girl. Like, don't even. So I've decided to purchase a lot so I can clearly identify which is mine, so that one of them goes missing, I won't cry about it. And besides, it's just 99 cents for 3 of these. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm totally enjoying my junior class, you know. And as the weeks goes by, I think it's like pretty fast, but I just can't wait to graduate, and I can't wait to be a professional barber as well. If you guys do not know, that's definitely like one of the things that I wanted to do in my life. I really wanted to be a professional barber. I also wanted to be known when it comes to color, balayage, and everything. I have mentioned this in the past. I said that I can never do hair, but you know what? Every time I do something with hair, it's so satisfying. Like, it's really like, I freaking love it. I just really love it. So I just want to thank God, the universe, everybody, all the angels around me, that thank you for, you know, taking me to the right path. Because I thought when I used to work at Mac, I thought that would be like it, you know. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to be working for Mac till I'm 50 years old. But now that I'm in cosmetology school, I'm like, wow. I'm excited to be a businesswoman. I'm excited to do lashes. I'm excited to do many things in my life. So if you guys are still thinking twice whether to follow your dream or not, I would encourage you to do so. Because let me tell you, I am enjoying every single day. Whether I get like a grumpy client or not, whether, you know, the results are awesome and this and that, I just really love it. I freaking love it. And I just realized that this is literally it. Like, this is something that I would do for the rest of my life. But so that is pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you are still not part of the Sassy family, if you like these types of videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn your post notifications on, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.